And so we are in this video we are going to see about two more tools. Those are dirbuster and dirb. This OS dirbuster is based on this Java application, so it can run on any operating system if that operating system could run Java. And you can see this is a GUI interface. You have some text box here. You need to fill the IP address, just the domain name, and you can set the threads. By default it's 10 threads, and you can just click on this browse and locate this WordList file, and you can also add the extensions like php, html and so on, and you can click on the start. So let's do it. Already my I know that this IP address have a web server, and let's find out what directories it have. Colon 80 slash. So I'm going to select the word list file which is in usr share word list. Where is this word list? So inside the dirbuster you can select any of this. I am going to choose this directory list 2.3 small, and you can click on this start. Now here you can see the process going on. You can see here the command line interface, it says directory found, but here there is a tree view of all these indexes. So these are the indexes, and it runs php myadmin, which is a XAMPP. Since it's running on the Linux, it's called LAMP stack. It comes with PHP, MySQL, and Apache web server, and it's running some vulnerable applications. And you can pretty much see if there are any files that are being discovered newly, then it will add to this tree format. You can also see the list view. So now I am going to stop this. So this is the similar syntax. This is about this dirbuster tool. Now I am going to show you another tool, that is dirb, dirb. And now we can pretty much see these options, but main options we can do is dirb url and then the word list file path, and you can also specify the extensions using the capital X command, capital X option. Let me say dirb http. Let me type the IP address, and now I am going to input this word list. Okay, now let me select this common.txt and now hit enter, and you can see there is a directory which is a dev directory, and if it's file it will just show me the file, else it mentions the directory, which you can see there is php myadmin. Within php myadmin you can assume that the Linux this IP address having Linux can run a LAMP stack, which Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. So you can also assume that there is MySQL port also open. So this can take so much time. I am going to stop it now. So you can see here so many files in the directories. You can also grep for this output using the grep plus, and also grep this using this arrow mark symbol. So as you can see, it has got all the php myadmin folder files. I think it also has this robots.txt. Yes, it has also robots.txt, and you can also pretty much navigate through the web browser to see the contents of these files and the directories. So that's all pretty much about this dirbuster and dirb. But I choose this GoBuster because it's just a personal preference, and also this dirbuster that is GUI tool will hang my Kali Linux machine, so that's why I always prefer this GoBuster. It's a matter of personal preference. Okay, I hope you have understood now.